They say the first thread we weave defines the strength of the cloth. So here I am, Amath. Not just a name, but a bridge. Between tribes, between stories, between silence and song. Archival footage of elders speaking, youth dancing, hands coding. This is not just content, it's a call to remember. To monetize meaning, not just metrics. To build apps that carry ancestry. To tell stories that don't just trend, but transform. A smartphone screen showing a plugin being coded. Then a choir singing. I've walked through databases and dialects. Written algorithms with the same care I write poetry. Because every byte, every beat, every brand should echo the truth of who we are. A map of South Sudan morphing into a digital mosaic. So welcome to the first thread. The beginning of Bridge the Tribes. Where culture meets code. Where influence meets integrity. Where your voice, yes yours, can rewrite the narrative. A hand reaching out. Fade to black. Let's build something that lasts. Not just viral, but vital. Bridge the Tribes. Digital heritage.